Yes, beta. Today we will learn about problem identification. How do we identify a problem? Actually, see here the definition is given. A problem is a roadblock in a situation. Means if during a process or during a normal situation, if there is some obstacles, there is some problems which stop the working, that is called problem as a roadblock. Second thing is problem identification. Problem exists in society, but everybody see that problem, nobody bother about, and they just go on for their routine activities. But there may be 1 or 2% that will see that problem, identify that problem, that it can be a business opportunity for him. That is why he will identify the problem as a business opportunity. Okay. Now see objectives of problem identification. What are the objectives? First objective is it should clearly state the problem. So problem identification, that term have first objective is to clarify the problem, that actually what is the problem is there. First we have to determine the problem, understand the problem. Next is identify target group facing the problem. Then we have to identify that which people, youngsters, old age, ladies, gents, kids, whoever, high class lobby or lower class lobby, low income group, whoever is facing this problem, we have to identify. Okay, if we will do so many of research work, then only so many questions are clear, then only we can solve the problem. So it is important that problem must be clear. The target group who is facing the problem must be clear. And the third one is find the market acceptability of the solution. Third one is important before making a business opportunity to this problem. It is important that whatever solution you will find out for that problem, will the market accept it or not? Then only you will start working on that if you are an entrepreneur. Okay, so three are the objectives. Now uses of problem identification. What are the uses for our problem identification? First is bring out new product in the market. First of all, it helps to the entrepreneur to bring new products. Problem identification से क्या होता है? The entrepreneur can launch new products and it can bring in market. Second one is understand the problem and needs of the market. Needs and problems of the market. So in this needs and problems, whatever market requires, we will need. Next is be creative. Entrepreneur will become creative. He will employment generation will be there and increase national income. Now, yes, now we will start idea generation. What is this idea generation? Idea generation is actually a process. It is a process in which we create some new idea. So it is a process of creating, developing, and communicating ideas which are abstract or visual, which we can see. Idea generation is a process in which creativity, some idea will create in my mind, and that creativity will be converted into some development of the product, and at the end the product will be converted, is produced. So it is said which are abstract and visual. That means which the results, the idea can be converted into reality. So idea generation, it includes the process of constructing through the idea, innovating the concept and developing the process and bringing the concept to reality. What the idea generation include, कौन कौन सी चीजें include होती हैं? An idea, इसको इनोवेट करना, इनोवेट अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, आइडिया किस चीज का? नई चीजों को इनोवेट करने का, एंड देन उन चीजों को इनोवेट करके उसको प्रोसेस में लाना और फिर रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट कर देना, एक प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस की फॉर्म में क्रिएट कर देना. दैट इज कॉल्ड आइडिया जनरेशन. नाउ बिजनेस आइडियाज आर ऑल अराउंड अस. बिजनेस आइडियाज हमारे आसपास ही होते हैं. जस्ट वी नीड अ व्यू टू सी दिस. ओके, Some business ideas come from a careful analysis of market, some ideas come from consumer needs, and some come from problems around us. So all these are. So we will learn here idea fields. Idea field is the field in which we identify the product. ये क्या हो गया? Stuck हो गया है. Okay, idea field is the field is the area from where we can collect the ideas. See here, idea field is here, and there are so many sources of getting ideas. Wherever we get so many sources, that field is called idea field. So where are the these are the various sources of idea field. See, first one is natural resources. Natural resources means sometimes we get ideas from uh, the forest, from natural resources, from agriculture, from mines, from animals. Sometimes we get idea. Suppose we just having animals and we just sell milk, and after one day milk जो है वो पनीर में convert हो गया, and then we see okay, paneer can also be, milk can be converted into paneer, and paneer can also be sold in market, which is very much expensive as compared to milk. Okay, so we get an idea, और हमारी शॉप पर अब मिल्क के साथ साथ पनीर भी मिलने लगा, तो कस्टमर्स बढ़ गए, जिन्हें पनीर लेना है वो भी आने लगे, पहले सिर्फ मिल्क वाले कस्टमर्स आते थे. तो वी गेट एन आइडिया फ्रॉम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. सेकेंड वन इज एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज. Existing product or services means in which there are already some existing products, and we just get an idea to modify them, to make changes in them, or to add some features. This is also called entrepreneurial ideas or innovative ideas. Next is trading related. See, one person is very much experienced in trading business. So through his experiences, he gets some ideas. He can get some ideas for establishment of new companies. Next is creative effort. Sometimes people do creative work. कभी हम घर में वेस्ट आउट ऑफ सॉरी मटेरियल आउट ऑफ वेस्ट बनाते हैं. समटाइम वी क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू, समटाइम वी in our cooking we create something new dish. So if we convert these new innovations in a business opportunity, then it is called the idea. Next one is service related. Same thing, as we collect the ideas related to creating products, same thing in the services, if we get idea related to services. Next one is market or demand driven. Sometimes in market people demand something else. Then also we get some new ideas. So all these sources bring together and it will create idea field. Idea field is that field from which various sources of ideas we get. Okay. These are the points explained here. Trading related ideas, service related ideas, and creative efforts. Now, new topic is product identification. What is this product identification? We have to identify. First we identify the problem, उसका solution find out किया, then we identify a product that actually what we want to produce. Okay, so product identification. After opportunity spotting and scanning the environment, an entrepreneurial idea should lead to definite product. Means after analysis of environment, after getting idea, innovative ideas, solution of a problem, we will finalize a product, that this product we want to offer in market, we want to produce. Now transformation of idea into opportunities. Yes, we get an idea and we will convert this idea into a business opportunity, then this is called conversion into an opportunity. This is conversion, how an idea is converted into an opportunity. There is this is a process. First we get idea and at the end we find out a product. Okay, so during this process so many things we need. What are things during this process we need? First of all, idea. We must have some idea that what we want to produce, what we want to offer. We have to get that idea. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्किल्स. आइडियाज को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करने की स्किल्स होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. उसके रिलेटेड, उस आइडिया से रिलेटेड नॉलेज, वी हैव टू कलेक्ट द नॉलेज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन. और उस नॉलेज को कलेक्ट करने के बाद नाउ वी विल थिंक अबाउट कि उसको बिजनेस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें. फर्स्ट वी गेट एन आइडिया. उस आइडिया के लिए we collect the information, knowledge, and then we see our skills, our competencies, our ability we will see. Then we create something new. Creativity we use. Through this creativity, idea आया, उसको creativity के through हमने नया product बनाया. Now we will establish an enterprise that it can be converted into an opportunity. So this was conversion of idea into opportunity. This is idea and opportunity assessment. What is this? Idea and opportunity assessment में आते हैं. How we will assess, how we will analyze our ideas and opportunities, whether we are thinking good or not, whether we are thinking right or not, will it work or not. So product identification. Product identification, that means what product we want to produce. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है मार्केट में there are already so many competitors of the same product available in market. हो सकता है कि नहीं? Yes, of course हो सकता है. ठीक है. तो we have to identify a such product which should be new so that the market can accept it. Next one is application and use. The idea should be examined properly, and its uses also must be examined properly, whether it is working or not. Afterwards it should be offered. Level of operation. Next thing is, whatever idea you have, what type of operational activity is required to convert into reality. कई बार ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि आपने कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बनाने का सोचा जिसके लिए heavy machineries will be required and you don't have finances. So first of all you analyze the level of operation. Large scale, small scale, cottage industry, what type of business you want to start. Next one is cost. Cost, per unit cost क्या आएगी? You have to analyze that also. Evaluation must be done that how much cost will be there, how much cost will include in this product. ऐसा ना हो कि इतना कॉस्टली प्रोडक्शन हो कि वो मार्केट में कस्टमर्स को अफोर्ड ही ना कर पाए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज कंपटीशन. Any other products or services are already available in the market of your ideas, your idea related some product or services already exist, then you have to find out something new. Okay. Next one is technical complexity. What is this technical complexity? That which technology will be used, will be required to produce that type of product. You have to analyze that. Can you afford this technology or not? Everything, every aspect related to technology you have to clarify. Next is annual turnover and profit margin. What will be the profit? You are not doing this for social welfare. You are an entrepreneur. You are doing all these activities for earning profit. So how much annual turnover will be there and how much profit you will get? It is very much important for idea assessment. Now you can take decision whether the idea will work or not. So that's okay for today, beta. Now if anybody having problem related to this, then you may ask.